Hi everybody, Shayna here from Jim Pattison Toyota on Regent. Today I'm going to show you how to pair an iPhone to either 2019 RAV or 2020. It's super easy. Let's have a look. So if you do not want to tether your vehicle to utilize the Apple CarPlay. So I do this a lot if I'm just going to do short little trips. I still want to have the Bluetooth active in my vehicle without having to tether it. So I'm just going to go phone. Yes. It's searching for my smartphone right now. There it is, RAV4. I'm just going to touch the RAV4. Okay. I'm going to press allow. That's going to sync my contacts. So it's searching for it right now. Up here, you'll see it says connecting. That's the Bluetooth icon. That's my battery strength. That is my signal. Over here, I'm going to turn on my show notifications. That's going to allow me to receive text messages while I'm in the vehicle. Okay, so if we look over here, there's all of my contacts. We have what's over here is a home screen. We can either do a 2 screen or we can do a 3. I like the 3. Hold this down. All of your contacts come up. So what I can do is I can put the 4 people that I call the most. So when I'm in the vehicle, rather than using my voice commands, I can just tap. It's automatically going to dial the vehicle. Okay, so that's if your phone isn't tethered. If we want to utilize the Apple CarPlay, all we need is an Apple cord. Folks, it will not work all of the time if you're using those cheap dollar store or gas station cords. It's the #1 mistake my customers make. Okay, we need to unlock our phone, and as you can see, instantly, Apple CarPlay. I'm just going to touch that. As you can see, all of my apps are in the vehicle. My favorite one, because I have XM satellite radio in my vehicle, is I have downloaded the app, and because I have a subscription, I can listen to previous shows. You've got your Google Maps, we've got our text messaging. Send a text message to Brent new phone.
What do you want to say?
Go Jets go.
Your message to Brent new phone says go Jets go. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Okay, so I just sent my friend a text message, but you know what? I can't remember when the Jets play again. Let's ask Siri. Siri, when do the Winnipeg Jets play again?
The Jets take on the Blues tomorrow at 7 p.m.
And that is how we can utilize our Apple CarPlay in either a 2019 or a 2020 RAV4. I hope that was informative. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.